Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. The first thing, we need to multiply by the square root of 1 plus sin x on numerator and the denominator. So we have the formula in here. So we multiply both sides by this one and we got the square root of 1 minus sin x squared. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go to the right. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So the square root of this one, that is about the absolute value of cosine x. So when we consider about x approach to be over 2 on the left and on the right. So on the right of this one, you will get about the negative form cosine x. So we have negative cosine x. And then we simplify cosine x. Later that we put b over 2 cone here. And that is about negative of the square root of number 2. So on the left, this one that is about positive of cosine x. And this is the answer for the question. That is the end. Thank you for watching.